Check out the Ford XY Falcon GT, the legendary Australian four-door muscle car that officially claimed 300 horsepower from the factory, but real-world tests proved it was actually pumping out closer to 380 horsepower under the hood. Now let's ride on. Built by Ford Australia between 1970 and 1971, this unibody beast swapped out older engines for a massive compression 51 clean-filled V8, cranking out 515 Newton meters of raw torque. But the true icon is the legendary GTHO Phase III variant, featuring that famous shaker bonnet scoop and built specifically as a homologation special to dominate touring car racing and destroy Holden on the track. Only 300 Phase IIIs were ever produced out of roughly 1,500 total XY GTs, making it the ultimate collector holy grail. At launch, without a rev limiter, this monster hit top speeds of up to 157 miles per hour, earning its place as the fastest four-door production sedan in the entire world. With its 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed manual transmission, and aggressive long hood stance, it delivers 0 to 60 sprints in under 6.5 seconds. Dubbed by enthusiasts as the greatest Australian car ever built, this homegrown V8 legend stands today as a multi-million-dollar collector asset that proves pure racing pedigree never goes out of style.